Here comes the westbound train. Here it is. I do like this is. It's definitely working hard. You can hear him now. Westbound train. This is gonna be our. Oh, this will be. Sorry. This will be the only train I'll be catching here today. Enjoy the train. So he's working up the grid. Should come around that bend. Camera a little bit. Here it is. Here he comes. Enjoy the train, guys. That engine. There it is. Here he is. Good thing. Zoom right on him. We'll zoom on him. Pretty big, guys. That was a pretty big train there. N331. Whoa. Just a train. Why don't you go around that bend? There he goes. CSX. Load and coal train. Loaded coal train. These are really long trains. Alright, this is our second train. Loaded coal train. Not dust off that train. Do you want him? That is dust on the train there. Loaded coal. This shit has 3 mid-D views. And this train should have 3 mid-D views on it. This thing should have 3 mid-D views. There should be D views. Wait for D views. And there's 3 of them. I think there's 6 locomotives. Look at how full that is. Loaded coal train. Heading to Baltimore, Maryland. Origin from Grafton, West Virginia, heading to Baltimore, Maryland. Kersey Yard. Loaded coal train here. This is where the train is heading to. Look how full these cars are. Yep, DBUs. DBUs. I like that 1 and 2 engine. And I like that 1 and 2 locomotive. Yeah, it's a loaded goal. Triple DBUs. 3 of them. It's like a 1 and 2 CRX by 2 Gevos. What's an ET44AH right there? Loaded coal. This thing is huge, too. This is a pretty big coal train. This is a pretty big coal train, too. I don't see any more dust blowing off the train. This thing is a long one. This is a loaded coal. Those are not completely full. Looks like they are full. Look at all the coal. Loaded coal train. These are the hoppers. This is what they have coal in them. This is a long train. This is, I don't want this, you know, I do not want this. I know this is a C symbol train. Pretty nifty big train here. Loaded coal train. Loaded coal. He's blowing. Look at the dust. Wow. He's blowing that dust off this train here. There's the end. There's the end of the loaded coal train there. That thing was huge. We are just shaking this. That was lost in coal train there. Loaded coal.